Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Today we'll see how to repot a Sansevieria or a snake plant. What are the signs that indicates that your plant needs repotting? So I'll show you my Sansevieria plant which has outgrown the pot. So we will do the repotting. We will also talk about this plant in detail. So let's get started. So this is my Sansevieria plant which is growing in this small size pot for last couple of months. And as you can see, the pot is full, so the roots have no space to grow from top, and that's why they are putting in so much pressure from the sides to grow. And because of that pressure, the pot has started cracking for the new growth. And you can easily make out that the plant is in urgent need of repotting. So first thing is we'll take out the plant from the pot and then we will repot it to the bigger size pot. Sansevierias or snake plants comes in many varieties of leaf shape, color and size. Most of the varieties grow tall with longer leaves, big size leaves. However, few varieties are dwarf sized. So they will not grow big size leaves and you can grow them in small size pots as well. But yes, all varieties of Sansevierias or snake plants are really hardy. They are super drought tolerant. So if you won't water your Sansevierias for more than 20-30 days also, even though it won't dry. The only reason or the way you can kill your Sansevieria is overwatering. Now coming back to the repotting, as you can see it's looking root bound and the soil is compact. So the first thing is you need to loosen the soil, separate all the plants. And when we talk about how to grow this plant, you can grow this plant from a leaf cutting also, from root division method also. They are super easy to grow. Another amazing fact about this plant is you can grow them in complete dark also. Yes, believe me, if your plant doesn't get sunlight at all, even then it will survive. The only difference you will see if your plant variety is of variegated, then it will lose its variegation, it will turn into complete green plant, but it will remain alive. For now, I will only loosen its soil and I will repot it to the bigger size pot. But what you can do is you can separate each plant and grow them in separate pots. Another thing is the growth of Sansevierias is relatively slow if we compare it with any other plant. So if you want to have a dense or fuller pot, try to grow multiple plants in one pot. So for repotting, I am choosing a bigger size pot. This is a ceramic pot with a drainage hole. Now keep a pebble or some mesh at the bottom to cover the drainage hole to avoid excess water or soil drainage from there. Now here I have not prepared any special potting soil for this. I have taken extra soil from other pot. If you wish, you can prepare a special potting soil for this. You need to take 50% garden soil, 25% sand and 25% compost. For Sansevieria, you always need to have well drained soil. However, you can easily grow them in only garden soil as well. It's a low maintenance plant and you can easily grow them indoors. A very good air purifier plant as well. Highly recommended plant to keep in bedrooms as this plant releases oxygen at night. Needs very less water. Once in 7 to 10 days will be more than sufficient for this plant. So highly recommended for those who are beginners in gardening. I have a separate video in which I have shared how to grow this plant from cutting or root division method, and I have shared with results as well. So do check it out. Link is there in the description box. So after repotting any plant, water it well and keep the plant in partial shade for a couple of days, and then slowly you can shift it to sun. However, as I said earlier, you can keep this plant in partial shade or complete shade or in full sunlight anywhere. So this is how you can divide your plant. And one best thing about Sansevierias is you don't need to wait for monsoon or spring season. You can do the repotting of this plant any time of the year. Check out the sign. If the pot looks full or if it's cracking, just do the repotting and you can easily replicate many plants. That's all for today guys. I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.